How to insert or embed YouTube video in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, open any web browser and go to the canva.com and make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Now here all you have to do is open your design or simply tap on the create a new design. Now once in there, from the left hand side panel, you'll get to see many options available there such as uploads, elements and many more. But scroll down and there you will get to see apps option available and simply tap on it. Now in the search address bar, search for the Embed. Type down Embed and search for it. Now you will have to copy and paste the link of the any video of YouTube you want to embed or insert here. Now go to the new tab and navigate to the youtube.com. Then once inside the youtube.com, find the any video and let's simply tap on this video for an example. Now tap on the share icon available there. Then you'll get to see copy link option available. Copy it and go back to the Canva and paste it in the section available here. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.